What's up, Dilio coming to you live, and this is my review, hands-on review of the Boss Vocal Performer VE-22. I got my hands on one of these because one of my pedals stopped working because it was out in the sun, 90-degree sun weather. Promise you I won't ever let that happen again. It was one of my favorite pieces. But this thing right here is actually a pretty cool device. It does have some flaws, but hopefully in this video I can demonstrate some things that are pretty cool about it. I had to rig up a little something. I used my C-stand and I hooked up my phone to the C-stand, at least give you at least a live view. I know it's not showing the screen very well. It's a little blurry. I used some lens cleaner on the phone. It's just not really the best situation. My overhead camera is down for now, but I still wanted to get my hands on this and demonstrate. So I wanted to do this demo because I know that a lot of the videos do show what it does, but in the R&B segment that I've seen, I felt like it was a little bit underserved. So I wanted to show what this thing could do. So what I'm using is a condenser microphone. In this unit, you can definitely set your gains, and this does have phantom power. I'm running on batteries right now, and that brings me to the first point that this unit does not come with a power supply, but there are proprietary power supplies online. But I also seen some aftermarket units right there. Right now, this is running on batteries. And I'll just let you guys hear it, right? We're here to hear it. So here's delay. With a little bit of hall mixed into one effect. And I just want to make sure you know what's going on. This is the harmony. You got basically 3 effects running at the same time. You got your harmonies that can be changed there that are set to key. You got your effects. This is like kind of like your multi effects. This is where you get the multi chorus, flange, and then this is echo featuring reverb and echo. I like that they're able to stack these into one effect, so you don't have to sacrifice the one in the middle. So I'm just gonna play and kind of let you hear it. Love you, wanna hold you through the night till early morning light. Turn that on right there. Love you. And as you can see, there's a lot of delay there. So I want to dial that back just a little bit. I can click on, double click on the thing, and this will bring you into the settings under the hood. So as I rotate down, I can select the delay, check, and they're kind of color coded, so the delay level can come down, check, without affecting the hall level, right? So love you, hold you me, and you can hear that I got 2 channels coming out of this because you're actually hearing this in stereo. Let's go through some of the effects, right? Let's listen to some of that. And so I'm going to turn it on. Now we got chorus, right? A little bit of a chorus. And each one of these 3 sides, you can adjust the depth, check, of the chorus. And if I push the button down and turn it, I can change the effect. So this is like distortion. It's all messed up right now. What I'm gonna do right now? Huh? What I'm gonna do right now? We got distortion with chorus. Distortion and flying. I want to take a plane. I want to take a plane, 'cause I don't like no trains. You got distortion with favor. You got the slicer. And like you got these foot pedals here. I like the traditional ones, but they are there. And actually, there's a lot to talk about in this unit, so I'm gonna try to get to the effects. I know I want to let you hear it. This is a lo-fi radio. It's a lesson learned. promise, then call us by our name. All right, so that's radio. Let's go through some of the effects. That's the ring march. Let's go to this vibrato. That sounds like what's the name of that rapper? Oh gosh. And if I double tap it, I can go through and I can adjust the depth of it. I need you. I need thee. Okay. You got the phaser. You can turn the phaser up. You can really turn the phaser up. Rock and roll. You got the flange. You got to like the flange, or you put it on. You can hear the flange effect. And you can put it on your guitar rock voice. Of course, you heard that one. Short time delay. Teddy bear. And you know, like I said, I'm adjusting the effects in real time. You can save all these presets in real time as well. And you got pitch correction mode as well. So if I am like say in the key of E flat minor, which is like the main key I play all the time. So I got to make sure I double tap on that button. Like I'm turning on and bypass it here. But if I change the scale over here to E flat, it's going to be more locked in. So if I go to E flat or D sharp, and the cool thing is that you have both major and minor keys that are denoted on the screen. I know you can't see it right now. Sorry about that. Yeah. Hey, oh, yeah. Hey, bring that reverb back, bring the reverb back, and I can turn it to hard autotune. It's a little bit more of a harder, aggressive. If you want more of a, and you can adjust the settings even more. So you want more speed, I can dial it up. And then you got a different mode. You got the electric. Baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to you. Let me buy you a drink. Buy you a drink. Oh, hey, I'll take you home with me. Money, babe. Hey, blame it on the blues. Got you feeling loose. Blame it on the draw. I got you in the zone. Alcohol, blame it on the alcohol. Blame it on the vodka. Blame it on the Annie. Blame it on the glue top. Got you feeling dizzy. Blame it on the and you can hear the auto-tune working there. For me, sometimes it's a little weird because I do hear a little bit of a slight latency on the auto-tune on this unit. So it's not like super tight, like for reference compared to like Apollo's auto-tune. It's very hard for me to perceive that delay. But at the same time, when you're hearing it live, like you have to almost drown out your natural voice or tune into it more to hear it. So that's that effect there, and this is the electric mode. So this is flat. It doesn't sound like it's on right now. Flat. Why is it on right now? Check. Oh, okay. stability. I mean, there's a lot of settings under the hood. And then this is see if I can get to it. Electric. Okay, there we go. Yeah. And then this is flat. And then the robot. So no matter what pitch I sing at, it stays in the same note. It stays in the same note. Yeah. 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 And that's flat right there. Ooh, but you can see how robot can change the voice, and it's such a weird thing. So, but if I wanted to change that note to the E flat minor note, I can go ahead and put it right there. E flat. Now, only note I can sing right now is E flat or D sharp. I'm singing up high. I'm singing low. You can hear that it's staying right where you need it to go. So if I come out of robot mode, and now I'm in autotune, Shawty, yeah. So, that's sort of the effects right there. And I also want to demonstrate the harmony effects on it. It's like a lot of stuff to really sit down with. So it can easily get kind of lost in the settings. So let's listen to a little bit of the harmony. So I'm still playing an E flat because I can kind of wing that really good and sing at the same time. And so I got harmonies. Hey. And let me bring up that harmony just a little bit. Hey. Let's bring that pitch correction back a little bit. Put it on a little bit of the harder right there. There we go. Hey. Here, a little bit of here. Let you hear another one. Hey. That didn't fit the right note. Let's do it up again some more. Yeah. Ooh, I keep going into the wrong scale, but you can see the options. So, you have to be, careful with it. Now, if you hit these two things at the same time, you do get a little bit of I know this is a long video because I could just sit here and jam and experiment with it, but I wanted to share with you my experience on it. I think it's a cool unit. I think this is good if you want to get some live autotune without having to buy a whole Apollo rig and get it popping. This will do the job. It's not that expensive of a pedal as I thought it would be. This display is very nice and bright and dark light situation. I already took it on the stage and did my gig with it. It's fun. And as I build presets, as far as cool, I am curious about other units, but I like this one. And if you've been here this long, maybe you're still interested in maybe purchasing this product. So if you do, please use the link in the description below. It'll help me out big time. So yeah, I got the link in the description below if you want to get your own. I think it's a good buy. It's not too expensive, and this is a great tool for people who sing. You know, there's plenty of pedals for musicians on the instrument side, but the fact that this is dedicated to something vocals is pretty cool. So that's my video for now. If you like that, let me know what you think about it. Like I said, it's very easy to sit here and play with it and check out your presets and things of that nature. And once you get your presets tight, when you go to the show, you just pull it right up, which is great. All right. So I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.